Welcome. In this video we are going to learn nbtstat, which is information gathering tool in Linux. Introduction. nbtscan is a quick tool which gives instant results relating to which hosts are alive on your network and replying to NetBIOS queries. Let's open up nbtscan tool, application, information gathering, SMB analysis, nbtscan, or open terminal and type nbtscan. nbtscan version 1.5.1. Here you can see that the basic syntax for nbtscan tool: nbtscan -v-d-e-l-t timeout -b bandwidth -r-q-s separator -m retransmits -f file name scan range. Let's see the basic options for nbtscan. -v verbose output, print all the names received from each host. -d dump packets, print whole packet contents. -e format in etc host format. -l format output in lm host format, cannot be used with -v, -s or -h options. -t timeout, wait timeout millisecond for response, default 1000, and so on. Here you can see that some basic example: nbtscan -r 192.168.1.0 scans the whole C class network. Here I created one IP_address.txt file that wrote some random IP addresses. Type nbtscan -f root desktop IP_address.txt. Here you can see that matches IP address, NetBIOS name, user and MAC address. Let this scan a live host information on same network IP range. Type nbtscan 192.168.0.024. Here you can see that matches IP address, NetBIOS name, user and MAC addresses. Type nbtscan -v 192.168.0.7. Here you can see that verbose output for 192.168.0.7 host. Adapter address of 192.168.0.7 host is 001E A6ED03. So that's it in this video on nbtstat information gathering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.